I put this on my nose during the video, and literally I looked down, there's just highlight. Hi friends, it's Ashley, and welcome back to my channel. So this week, as you can see, we have some friends joining us, and go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm Tammy. I'm Tiffany.
Yay! And Haley's here behind camera. She's gonna be our guesser. And today is her 17th birthday.
I was in a fucking car accident.
And she was in a car accident, so everyone wish her to feel better down below in the comments. So, as you can see, we have some props here today. And we are going to play the Play-Doh challenge, which I saw on Ricky Dillon's channel. So I'll make sure to link his video down below. We have a bunch of different words and things that we have to make that my lovely assistants put together for me. So thank you, ladies. Thank you. So everyone go ahead and pick a color Play-Doh that you want. Ready, go!
Because I just got it out.
I got it. Gotta go. Oh, I got it.
See?
You guys are really good at getting Play-Doh out of containers.
I don't play with Play-Doh
I was gonna say, you see, we do this a lot. Okay. So we're gonna have Cami start, and she's gonna go ahead and pick one and show it to you.
I can't see. Correct.
Oh my god! Really glad. I'm really glad you picked one. Okay, put 30 seconds on your timer. 30 seconds. I have so many questions.
Okay, ready, set, go.
30 seconds, Sam. 30 seconds.
How many seconds left?
You rounded actually. Okay, yeah, do a minute. That's crazy.
See, I told you.
Camus looks like a feline.
Don't look. You're not supposed to look.
30 seconds.
Oh, I saw 30 seconds.
I'm rushing more than I think I should. Because I think I have less time than I do.
15 seconds.
This is not how it's supposed to look in my head. But, I mean, this is probably not.
2, 1, stop.
There you go.
Hands off the Play-Doh.
Okay.
Some sort of person.
Okay, you get to guess
A person.
a person.
Like a name.
Beyonce.
Okay.
No.
Tammy is out.
Okay. So, this is my theory. Either this is a penis or a really bad tennis racket.
Okay.
And these are some sort of headphones.
Okay.
So this is what I get out of here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I don't think you're ready.
Okay.
Sex is happening in the other room and people don't want to hear it. 10 out of 10.
Alright, Tiffany, go ahead. Haley, what do you think?
I put my apple core down. That's a lizard.
Okay, so the real answer was
Did I get one right?
Nick Jonas.
Who's this Nick Jonas?
So who looks most like Nick Jonas? I had to choose. I got his curly hair.
This is his curly hair. I gave him a fro.
And I gave him a penis so that you knew it was a male.
Well, process.
Nick, if you're watching, I love you. I'm getting married one day. One day. So Haley's rating scale is a 1 to 10 dicks out of 10.
Cammy's was a 2.5 out of 10. Ashley's, I like how you had like the penis in there. So
Yeah.
I would say it's like a 8.5.
Wow. I
And
have
Tiffany's
6 out of 10.
just threw a, I don't even know what that is.
I'm
How many dicks out of 10 is Tiffany?
Tiffany was probably the best. Well, then Tiffany got a 9 out of 10.
How many? So I got an 8.5 and Tammy got a 4.
Yes. Okay, so the only reason Cammy got a 4 is because I think what was that on his head?
I gave him a fro.
If that was supposed to be the fro from like
2009,
Camp Rock
then-
days,
That's the Nick Jonas that popped into my head.
Okay, my turn.
It's no fun to be bald. Oh God.
Okay, got it.
How?
That's my foot. As we all know, this is Cammy's handwriting since it's as small as a fucking bee.
I think you did it.
Okay, Haley, you have a minute on the clock.
A minute starting.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Why are you supposed to make this in a minute?
A little lizard.
Don't look. You're not supposed to look.
Oh, I'm done.
You're not supposed to have a prejudgment.
Okay, well, none of these are any sort of prejudgment.
I made that wait. Oh, start it.
You want to know how much time you have left to start over? 30 seconds.
Okay.
This is so hard.
Oh my god. Mess times 10.
15 seconds.
Oh my god, are you serious?
The one that picked the time.
Right.
I told you.
10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. 3, 2, 1.
Like no time to
Hands
do
off.
anything.
Play-Doh. I know what it is.
Okay, so what do you think it is?
It's an Nephiline!
Yay!
The only reason I know that is because that's Cammy's favorite animal.
Okay, so who's due? Who's
Holy
please
shit, what
rate
is yours?
from a 1 to 10 dicks out of 10?
Oh, his trunk's too long.
We're gonna
Okay,
do
that's
trunks.
really ugly.
Trunks?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
1 to 10 trunks.
Okay.
Okay, my
So-
trunk is the ugliest.
Ashley, yours loses because yours are very unproportionate to your body.
yours are mine.
Okay, so rating from
Mine has no
Cammy.
legs. It's crippled.
Okay, hold
Mine
on.
only has a head, so.
Oh, Cammy's looks really good.
Except the trunk.
Okay,
Too
so
long.
Cammy's is a 9.5 out of 10 trunks.
Wait, can I see it?
Cammy's really good at outfits.
I have like 15 seconds left and I don't know what to
Ashley?
do with it because I used all my
Ashley,
Play-Doh.
yours is a 7.
Okay.
And Tiffany, yours is an 8. So they're not bad. They're not bad.
Woo!
At least you can tell what it was this time.
Oh god. Could this work?
I don't need them.
Time starts now. Okay. I'll go find the other turn.
So hard. That's so heavy.
I know mine. I'm just gonna have a
You guys have 10 seconds left, by the way.
Shit.
5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands off.
How do you guys make that? And I make this in the same amount of time.
It's all about the visual. You have to have a visual. Like as soon as you pull out the paper, you have to have it in mind, and you just gotta.
Okay, so I really think I know what it is,
Okay.
but Tiffany's and Ashley's is really confusing.
Okay, what do you think it is?
How's it confusing me?
Okay, now it's not. The side view is what got me.
This is that.
Okay, so he's holding a little acorn, and he's got a little bushy tail.
So what is he?
A snail. Or a
A
squirrel.
A squirrel.
Ashley's is a squirrel with some disabilities.
I think that's broken.
Okay, bushes. So 1 to 10 bushes. out of
Cammy
10.
has 10, Ashley has flop.
So Cammy has 10 out of 10 bushes.
Ashley has flop.
What does that mean?
Like you flopped hard. Like that's not even anything.
If that's a thing, I should have got that the first round. I don't know what you're thinking.
0 out of 10 bushes?
No, flop. There's a big difference between a 0 and a flop. A flop means like you didn't even try.
Is that what people saying?
Listen, that actually looks like a squirrel. Mine does not look like Tiffany's squirrel.
That does not look like a squirrel.
That
Compare it. And Tiffany's is a 4.
So who's winning so far?
Cammy.
Okay.
Okay, I did it like for a year and a half, but for 3 months it was
Oh, okay.
But it doesn't specify. It could be. There's so many different varieties of such things.
Alright, guys, my phone's at.
Okay, it'll be fine.
Alright, well, if we need to use mine, we can.
Ready?
Okay.
Alright, set. No, Levi.
Oh.
Nice.
Sorry.
we got violent.
Don't look.
Violence my Play-Doh. Guys, I'm bruising from the axe. At least I don't look like a roadkill.
like I do every day. I don't know how to do this. This isn't working.
Have you done?
Not working.
Really? How much time do I have left?
30 seconds.
Okay, we do.
This is so.
I think all of
Hey,
you are
you're doing just fine.
But I think I was doing just fine.
Well, I guess this isn't. This is not what it was. I don't know.
I think I have an idea.
I definitely think mine gave you that
No, I
idea.
think Tiffany's gave me the idea because I remember in kindergarten taking a hand, making it the feathers, and then taking a palm and flopping it on there.
This is so ugly.
Oh, time's been up 15 seconds ago.
Oh, thanks. Gotta go, fam. Alright.
Alright, it's a turkey.
That's what you think it is?
Yeah.
You think it's a turkey?
Yeah.
Well, our turkeys have some severe issues.
Wait, let me. It's a corn. It's a hand. It's a hand with
Alright, on your third
Yours only has 4 fingers. Oh, that's 5. But where's the thumb? Cammy's looks like a hand.
kind of.
Okay.
And Tiffany's is an actual hand.
I actually. Alright, I'm gonna
Everyone
vote that
in Chris-
Tiffany
Okay,
was one
that's
that.
Creativity goes to Cammy. Accuracy goes to Tiffany. And
You could say
the number of fingers goes to Ashley.
So who
it.
wins?
All of you do. You all have your own category. Everyone deserves to win.
Wow!
Alright.
Oh, that was so. I like you.
Okay. Do you mind? Okay.
For some reason, on the corner of my eye, I
You
thought
got
that said Cena, and I'm like, what?
John Cena!
I'm not making that.
Okay. Oh, well, thanks for the warning, Sam.
Hold on. Alright, go!
Yeah, I'll give you an extra 5 seconds.
Well, you gave us another 15 last time.
True.
This is gonna be so bad. I don't even know what I'm doing. What am I doing with my life?
Me.
I don't know how to make it close.
Is it calm?
Oh,
An ice cream cone.
no!
Nice looking though.
Go away!
You guys have 5 seconds.
You just looked though.
One second. Why did Cammy just say out the word?
You didn't even get it right till you looked. Oh god.
Okay, time.
Gotta go.
Wait, this is I lose.
Your phone looks like
It looks
a
like a
mush-
tennis
a
racket.
mushroom.
No, you know what? It looks like one of those T-ball things where like T-kids go and they go.
That round was a complete flop because not only did I say it, but Haley looked in
Oh,
the middle
Ashley's
of it.
looks really good.
I'm probably lose too. Wait, Tiffany, what just the big guy.
Yeah, the big
The
guy,
really
his
fat
ice cream
guy.
cone, the scoop that falls off the cone. I'll show you later.
I can't believe
Alright.
you don't know that.
Flop goes to Cammy.
Okay. What's your rating?
8 out of 10 goes to Ashley.
No,
8 out of 10 what?
Listen! For scoops of ice cream.
Yay! 8 out of 10 scoops!
And Tiffany, her ice cream became disformed. throughout the process of flopping it on the ground. So you get a 8 out of 10 scoops as well.
Okay.
Who won between the two of them?
We tied. Alright.
That's
Okay,
lame.
they still suck.
Get one of them like an 8.5 or something.
Alright, Ashley gets an 8.5.
Okay.
I just
Because
got,
she was there for me today.
I literally got all of my highlights on.
How? What?
That was stupid.
Alright, we're getting a little
So many questions.
Where'd you come up with this?
Because I'm stressed.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
I have a perfect idea. Let's like this.
Are you serious? Shit. I'm not going fast enough.
This one was really easy for me.
Wait.
You'll get it when I say it.
By the time I turn around, your hands will be up exactly. Alright.
Mine is so different, but when I say it, you'll get it.
No, I completely agree with you. That's. What the hell for a guess? That's literally me.
Okay, it's an emotion. Because everyone either seems confused, upset, or what the fuck.
Or
Stop! I have to pee so
confused,
bad.
upset, or bald.
Okay, either you're very highly upset about something.
Good job.
This one was so fun to do.
You're stressed!
How did you get that?
Okay, for creativity and
Say
so
who-
stressful.
Kimmy!
Cammy gets a
A gold star for being creative.
yes.
Not even.
Wow. Tiffany gets a 0.
Got angry at
For
us.
being impatient.
And Ashley gets a good job. You waited.
So who won that round?
You. The last round then?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, do you know what that says?
I do because I wrote it.
Got my glass.
Okay, if you guys can't read it, I'll put it on the screen.
Okay.
I told you, I don't know why you can't read it.
Alright, hey. You ready?
I don't feel good all of a sudden.
It's not going.
I'll be at the hospital. Making a CAT scan. Already had. Is working. I have a brain.
I suddenly don't like this one. It seems like a good idea when I wrote it, but it's really not.
30 seconds.
That was the best song. Look at my phone. Does it look so fucking good? It does look at my phone. I love it so much. Oh yes I do, yes I do. Behind it, also a third over like
Okay, face your things.
What?
Gotta go. Face your things. Face your things. One, we took Macy's with Jeff on. Jeff is a pumpkin, and is that the front of yours?
Why is he going? I looked down and she's staring. I don't know how long he's been here, but
I don't know. So Tiffany gets to come up with.
Wait, no, you said hers is a jack-o'-lantern?
Yeah.
You said mine is a pumpkin?
Yeah.
I won.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Jack-o'-lanterns have faces, pumpkins don't.
I actually was going to put a face on mine, but I started over. At the 30-second mark, I had to start over so I know time to do
That's the
one.
stupidest little mistake. I won a little channel.
Same thing.
I put this on my nose during the video, and literally I looked down, there's just highlights. So I won, as we saw. Yay! Thank you again for coming and playing with me. Once again, this is Cammy and Tiffany, and you guys know Haley, and this is Mika. She's the star of the show.
Obviously.
I'm going to have all their social media links down in the description, so go ahead and make sure to follow them on all their social media so that you can see them all the time. Alright guys, it was great hanging out with you today. I love you more than you'll ever know, and I'll see you next week. Bye!
Bye.
Well, I'm a prince. Look at me, I'm Nico. Wow.